Abdul Kalam, in full Abul Fakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam, born 15 October 1931, Rameswaram, India, died 27 July 2015, Shillong, Indian scientist and politician who played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons programs. He was President of India from 2002 to 2007. Born 15 October 1931, Rameswaram, India, birthday today. Died 27 July 2015, aged 83, Shillong, India. Title Office President, 2002 to 2007, India. Political affiliation, National Democratic Alliance. Kalam earned a degree in aeronautical engineering from the Madras Institute of Technology and in 1958 joined the Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO. In 1969, he moved to the Indian Space Research Organisation, where he was project director of the SLV-3, the first satellite launch vehicle that was both designed and produced in India. Rejoining DRDO in 1982, Kalam planned the program that produced a number of successful missiles, which helped earn him the nickname Missile Man. Among those successes was Agni, India's first intermediate-range ballistic missile, which incorporated aspects of the SLV-3 and was launched in 1989. From 1992 to 1997, Kalam was scientific advisor to the Defence Minister, and he later served as Principal Scientific Advisor, 1999 to 2001, to the government with the rank of Cabinet Minister. His prominent role in the country's 1998 nuclear weapons tests solidified India as a nuclear power and established Kalam as a national hero, although the tests caused great concern in the international community. In 1998, Kalam put forward a countrywide plan called Technology Vision 2020, which he described as a roadmap for transforming India from a less developed to a developed society in 20 years. The plan called for, among other measures, increasing agricultural productivity, emphasizing technology as a vehicle for economic growth, and widening access to health care and education. In 2002, India's ruling National Democratic Alliance, NDA, put forward Kalam to succeed outgoing President Kocheril Raman Narayanan. Kalam was nominated by the Hindu nationalist, Hindutva, NDA even though he was Muslim, and his stature and popular appeal were such that even the main opposition party, the Indian National Congress, also proposed his candidacy. Kalam easily won the election and was sworn in as India's 11th president, a largely ceremonial post, in July 2002. He left office at the end of his term in 2007 and was succeeded by Pratibha Patil, the country's first woman president. Upon returning to civilian life, Kalam remained committed to using science and technology to transform India into a developed country and served as a lecturer at several universities. On 27 July 2015, he collapsed while delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong, and was pronounced dead from cardiac arrest soon afterward. Kalam wrote several books, including an autobiography, Wings of Fire, 1999. Among his numerous awards were two of the country's highest honors, the Padma Vibhushan, 1990, and the Bharat Ratna, 1997.